Imagine waking up one morning and feeling lighter. You jump out of bed and almost hit the ceiling. Your phone slips from your hand, but instead of crashing, it floats. Outside, birds can't seem to land and the ocean looks strange. That's when you realize gravity has weakened. Gravity, the invisible force that holds everything together, just got softer, and the entire planet is about to change forever. What if Earth's gravity suddenly weakened? What would happen to our oceans, our atmosphere, and us? Gravity isn't just what keeps you on the ground, it's what keeps everything in place. The moon in orbit, the air we breathe, and even time itself. It's one of the fundamental forces of the universe, shaping galaxies and stars. But here's the secret. It's actually the weakest of all forces in physics, a billion times weaker than electromagnetism. Still, it's strong enough to hold the entire planet together. So, if gravity suddenly weakened, even by 10%, the consequences would be catastrophic and fascinating. Let's say gravity drops to 90% of what it is now. You'd weigh 10% less. Cool, right? But your body isn't built for that. Your inner ear, your muscles, your blood pressure, all tuned to Earth's pull. You'd start feeling dizzy, unbalanced. Your heart would struggle to pump blood properly. Buildings, designed for 1G gravity, would become unstable. The ocean's surface would start to bulge as tides grow stronger and chaotic. And satellites, orbiting based on precise gravitational equations, would drift off course, crashing or flying away into the void. Now imagine gravity dropping by 50%. Cars can't grip the roads, rivers float like ribbons in the air, mountains begin to crumble as rocks loosen, and humans, we'd be able to leap dozens of meters high, but landing safely? Not guaranteed. Sports would be unrecognizable. Basketballs would soar for minutes, and Olympic long jumps could break world records by kilometers. But it's not all fun and games. The atmosphere, which is held by gravity, would start to leak into space. Breathing would become harder as air pressure drops. Sky would darken, clouds dispersing into the blackness above. Earth, quite literally, would begin to lose its breath. Our oceans, massive, heavy, restless, would begin to rise, not in waves, but in sheets. Water would escape into the upper atmosphere, freezing into crystals, forming glowing blue clouds around the planet. Eventually, much of Earth's water would evaporate into space, and as the seas vanish, weather patterns collapse. No rain, no rivers, no life. The planet that once shimmered with blue would turn dry and lifeless, like Mars, another world that lost its gravity long ago. Gravity keeps the moon in orbit. Weaken it too much, and the moon drifts away. Without it, Earth's tides vanish, ecosystems collapse, and night skies go dark. But that's not all. Our planet's orbit around the sun depends on gravity too. If gravity weakens globally, Earth could slowly spiral away from the sun. Temperatures would plummet, oceans would freeze, and our once bright, warm home would become a drifting ice world, fading into the dark. But humans, we adapt. We'd start building underground cities with artificial gravity generators, magnetic floors, sealed domes, spinning habitats. Scientists would engineer new life forms, plants that grow in low gravity, humans with reinforced bones, synthetic lungs for thinner air. We'd look to Mars and the Moon, places we once feared, now easier to reach because launch costs have dropped to almost zero. Ironically, weaker gravity could help us explore the stars, even as it destroys our home. Gravity, the quiet force that shaped the universe, is more than just physics. It's the reason stars burn, planets form, and time itself moves forward. It binds the cosmos together in a delicate, invisible thread. Without it, there's no structure, no balance, only chaos. So maybe gravity isn't just a force. Maybe it's the universe's way of keeping everything connected. And if one day it weakens, maybe it's a sign that the universe is letting go, preparing for its next great chapter. So, what if gravity suddenly weakened? Would we survive long enough to rebuild? Or would we finally understand how fragile our place in the cosmos truly is?